In this video, I am going to show you how to claim invite reward in Worldcoin. So this should be a quick and easy process video. To claim Worldcoin invite rewards, the invitee, the new user, needs to redeem the invite code before making an ORB appointment or getting verified. So for new users, invitees redeem the code. When a new user clicks on an invite link, they should be prompted to accept the invite. Follow the instructions, then get verified. After redeeming the code, the new user needs to verify their reward ID at an ORB. And for existing users, open settings, go to redeem invite, enter the code. And for referrers, rewards are typically granted after the invitee successfully verifies the reward ID at an ORB. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.